Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something delicious and exciting and probably exotic food. And that is, tarang, mushrooms. You see, we do not get to eat this very often. Sometimes, no? Pero andi amo ni kadalag ko. So thank you, Rose. Rose, thank you for this, ha, for sending us some of this. My cutie man. Pero majority of them are huge, no, like this one. Okay, and I will also need some shrimps, which I slice it, and then pork, garlic, onion, oil, the shrimp broth, salt and pepper, and some oyster sauce. This is oyster sauce. This is oyster mushroom. Okay, so let me start by um, cutting this into, I'll just have to cut this by hand. No? Okay, amo na siya. Hmm. Yay! Yan. Okay, so dali lang. I will continue. Stop. I have to put oil into my heated pan. Some oil. Okay. And then I will add some garlic. Kuday na pa initon tagidanay. Okay. So, garlic. This is just sauteed mushrooms. And then, oh, by the way, how do you like my apron? Burn? Salamat isang apron, ha? Nami. I'll just saute everything and then until the mushroom is well wilted. Ari na siya, oh. I cut them into smaller bits. Ay, hala, nagulupad. Yan. Okay. Very easy to do. Now, I will add some pork. So, dapat may baboy good, no? We try at home to be meatless, but it's only seldom that we have mushrooms. So, utangan ta sang this one, baboy. The baboy, and then the shrimps. Okay, dali lang. I have a very efficient videographer today. In today's video, can you guess who? Ay, grabe. Okay. I have to use the shrimp broth. I had this when I peeled the skin of the shrimps. Okay. Dason, palagaon pa lang sila hasta maluto. Okay. In this period, we will add our some salt and pepper. And then continue to cook until the pork is fully cooked. I think I will add some oyster sauce now. Okay. Hala, hamot na siya. Hamot na siya. Yeah, it's hamot already. So, I think I will add the mushrooms now. Lapad pa niyang stems. I'll just put it there and then let it cook. When was the last time you had mushroom? Nga mo gini bala nga ginakwa sa uma, sa farm, sa mga rice fields, ito na mo, basta dira na sila nga. Okay. So, dali lang ha, I'll continue cooking, I will come back. Yay! Oh, hamot. It's so hamot. Come here and you will smell the mushroom, shrimps, and baboy. So, I think this is done now. Bedo, humok na siya ang mushroom. Humok na siya. Yee! Wow. Okay. So, dali lang gid ha. I will garnish. Dali lang. So, I have here our mushroom, sauteed mushroom. So, this is hamot. This is namit, I am sure. So, kaunta everyone. Thank you for watching.